In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a stroke outline to any object or logo in After Effects. Let's go step by step. First, start by creating a new composition in After Effects. For this demonstration, I'll be using the After Effects logo, but you can use any logo or image you prefer. Once you have your logo or image, drag it onto the timeline and adjust the size if necessary. Next, we'll need to add some effects to create the stroke. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for the Fill effect. Drag this effect onto your logo. You'll notice the color of the logo changes, but don't worry, that's normal. Set the fill color to white for now and click OK. Now we need to add another effect. Go back to the Effects and Presets panel and search for Minimax. Apply this effect to the logo. In the Effect Controls panel under Minimax, change the channel option to Alpha and Color. This allows the effect to work properly with both the alpha channel and the color of the logo. Next, we'll add the CC Composite effect. Go back to the Effects and Presets panel, search for CC Composite and apply it to your logo. This effect brings the original version of the logo back so you can see both the logo and the outline we're going to create. Now, let's create the stroke outline. Under the Minimax effect in the Effect Controls panel, increase the radius value. As you increase the radius, you'll see the outline starting to appear around the logo. Be careful not to set the radius too high, as the stroke will become too thick. A good value to start with is around 30, but this will vary depending on the size and style of your logo or image. You can adjust it to your liking. Lastly, if you want to change the color of the stroke, go back to the Fill effect and choose any color you like. This will give the stroke the desired look, and that's it. You've successfully added a stroke outline to your object in After Effects.